Hey everyone, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel, Create with Tina. And today I am excited to share with you another scrapbook kit that I put together. Now this one's really fun because it's a kit just for the guys in your life. And that could be any guy. It can be husband, children, nephew, grandpa. It can even be fur babies that are little boy fur babies in your life. So I'll show you real quick a little quick sneak peek of what I did, and it's using some products that have retired that I loved. I bought them knowing I wanted to make something with them, but time got away from me, and so I did buy quite a good little stash. I have enough to make 7 or 8 kits, pre-cut kits for you guys, but everything was retired, so I can't make any extras of what I have. So what I want to do is turn the camera down to my desk and give you guys a good look at what I did with the plaid papers that I used for these layouts. All right, let's look down. Okay, I am super excited about this. I have been on a roll lately making scrapbook kits and cards just for all the guys in my life. And if you have been following me along for a little while, you might know I am a mom to 4 boys, and I have my husband, and I have a gajillion nephews between my 2 sisters and my brother-in-law. We have like 13 boys and 1 little girl. So there's a lot of boys in our family, and I'm always looking for ideas to do more with them. So let me show you the paper. You know, like I said, this paper we had a while ago and it went on clearance and it's now out of stock. But I was so excited when it came out that I picked up several packs knowing that I was going to make some kind of scrapbook pages with these papers. And I finally was able to pull them out and start playing. And yes, these are 12 by 12 pages. Let me move them. Let's just get them out of the way. These are 12 by 12 pages using 6 by 6 papers. Isn't that so fun? I do love doing that. I know some of you have seen that in the past. I have done it with some of the Christmas papers, my Christmas tags and more. I did it with that one. But look at the colors. It is just so good. So many perfect colors for boys. And yes, I could definitely go on and do some feminine projects too, but I do those all the time. And I'm here to tell you, with the new papers coming out from Stampin' Up! In the catalog, we're going to have lots of fun floral pages to work with. But here's what I had at my disposal to cut up, to chop it all up on my desk and make some layouts. And so that is exactly what I did. And I'll tell you, because this was just 6 by 6 paper, no sticker sheet, no cut apart sheet, no memories and more cards. I got creative with my Cricut, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of that. Here is a bag. I am going to only be able to make, I think, 8 kits total of this 6-page scrapbook workshop. But these are all custom die cuts that I have created. I'll show you some of them to use on the pages, including all of these little guys. I've already cut them out and I've sorted them, and I'm going to be ready to put these into kits. So that's why I'm giving you a sneak peek. So let's look at the pages. Here is the first kit, and it's called Hello Handsome. Isn't it fun? Let me zoom in a little. Hello Handsome. All about whoever is handsome in your life. I mean, technically, you could do this for your dogs. I have 2 dogs, and they're both boys. Yes. So 4 sons, a husband, and 2 boy dogs, Stanley and Joey, and I do think they're both handsome. So I could do this for my little puppies, my fur babies. I could do this just for my husband. I could do this for all 4 of my boys. I could highlight just 1 boy. The options are endless, but this is the first layout, and I love it because it holds so many photos on one 2-page layout. And imagine the possibilities if you added flip flaps to any of these. You could get even more photos on the page. So again, custom title, all of these are Cricut shapes, all cut out and ready to go. But I did pull in some of our ephemera from some of the ephemera packs that we had. And again, a lot of these are no longer available, but I had them in my stash and I'm turning this into a pre-cut kit. So why not? Okay, now this layout here is another one of them. I love, 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 love this. That's backwards. Can see that. I love it because just a boy and his dad. My husband is always playing with his sons, always was. He said, I want to be the yes dad. Anytime my kids ask me, any one of my boys asks me to do something, I want to drop what I'm doing and say yes and go play. So I have so many pictures of him doing whatever it was they wanted to do, whenever it was, from all the times they played catch or played basketball or built Legos or built things out of wood or went bike riding or skateboarding. Yes, he even tried that because I had kids that were completely into that, and even longboarding. So just a boy and his dad, and these pictures are going to work so well for it. And then here's another layout again, custom Cricut title, my guy, I love you, thankful for you. Again, you could choose who or what you would scrapbook with these photos, but isn't this fabulous? I am so excited. The only regret I have is that I did not plan ahead to buy more of this paper or more of these ephemera packs before they went out of stock. I got so excited when I saw it, and so I did grab it, but I do only have enough for 8 kits total. And then when it's gone because, like I said, it went on last chance and then it sold out so quick. And I tried to get these done earlier, but you guys know I do a lot with the card making and scrapbooking, and then my boys keep me super busy with sports. And so there wasn't enough time in the day or in the month to get it done, but I finally did. They went on a ski trip and I sat down that entire day and played. So I hope you guys like it. I will drop all of the links in the description below that will link to how you can get your hands on this guide. But I would love it if you did 2 things. One, if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. But number 2, I would love to hear from you on if this masculine layouts are something you also need more of. And if so, what would you scrapbook on these photos? Would it be your husband? Would it be kids? Would it be a nephew? Would it be your fur babies? What would it be? It doesn't matter to me. I just like hearing what matters to you guys. So leave me some comments and let me know. I promise I read them all. And again, thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.